welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. This is another vegan recipe. Brown stew chicken turn up loud in my kitchen right now. Come on, let's get started.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to win some respect.
Now let's go over all our ingredients and what you are going to need to make this brown stew chicken vegan style in my Jamaican kitchen. You're going to need 1 cup of black bean, 1 cup of chickpeas. You're also going to need a cup of bean flour and a cup of oats flour. You will also need 2 tablespoons of milled flaxseed. And that is what your milled flaxseed looks like. You can purchase this in any supermarket, farmer's market, or you can even order it online. I buy mine in the supermarket. You're definitely going to need your apple cider vinegar, garlic powder, onion powder, chicken seasoning, salt, and black pepper. You're going to need your browning and your allspice. Also, tomato, onion, skeleton thyme, and a country pepper. You could use pepper sauce, you could, whatever kind of pepper you want to use that makes you happy. Remember, that's your, whatever kind of pepper that you so want to use, do that. Hot pepper sauce, whatever. Fine with you, go ahead and do that. Remember, make your kitchen your own. Let's turn up the kitchen loud now. Now let's get started into making my way how me cook vegan brown stew chicken in my kitchen. Fast, easy, and simple. You're going to add your black bean and your chickpeas, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and black pepper, all-purpose season or chicken seasoning or any kind of poultry seasoning that you have, use that. Flax seeds, that is the milled one. Don't put the tough flax seed in it. You want to get your fork and you want to mush this up. When you pretty much get it all mushy, not too mushy but like that mushy, you add your bean flour and then you add your oats flour. Spin that up a little bit. You get your browning and you add a little bit of browning to it. Not too much, just a little bit. You mix that in. Now you're going to need your hands to get everything together. This is very important, guys, because if you don't do this method, your thing is going to fall apart when you get ready to fry it or to steam it. So you want to go ahead and mush this together with your hands, just like you was going to make a dough. And when it looks nice and crumbly like that, you add your water. And that, my friends, is how you make chicken, vegan chicken. Now we're moving on to our next step. On my countertop, I have plastic wrap right there. You're going to either use the bean flour or you're going to use the oats flour. And all you're going to do is sprinkle enough of it on that plastic wrap, because that is what you're going to use to hold your meat together. I'm going to get maybe about 4, I'm going to make 6 pieces of chicken with this mixture. Because I serve for about 3 people right now. You go ahead and you remove your plastic wrap. What you'll find is that it's going to look a little sweaty. that's fine. That means everything is holding nicely. If you don't have that bean flour or that oat flour on there to make it hold, it's gonna fall apart. See, it should be holding like that. So now let's move on to our next step. Moving on here to my next step. I have my pot on the fire and I'm going to be using my coconut oil to get my chicken fried up nice and golden brown.
In the desert, blowing up in the sunshine.
Now we're moving on to the next step. To finish up this dish and make it nice and tasty, you want to add your garlic in, onions, scallion, tomatoes go in, hot Spanish pepper, and that's optional. Fresh thyme, few pimento seeds, apple cider vinegar, a little bit of water. Now it's time to give that thing flavor, because the trick to eating vegan food is flavor. If it not have no flavor, it's not going to taste right. A little bit more onion powder, black pepper. I'm going to add some ginger powder to it, and my brown. Now based on how many people you're cooking for, you want to be generous with the water. So add your water in, because remember you're cooking brown stew chicken, vegan chicken that is. So now we're going to go ahead and add our meat in. Last thing I'm going to do, now the next thing I'm going to do is put my ketchup on that. Now if you don't want to use ketchup, guys, you could use tomato paste. Add some more parsley to that. I'm going to go ahead and cover that up. I'll give it about 10 minutes at the most. Just let it simmer on medium heat. And when I come back, I'm going to have nice brown stew vegan chicken in my kitchen. See you back. There you have it, Jamaican vegan brown stew chicken in my kitchen. Fast, easy and simple, all
Dancing
done.
in the desert, blowing up in the sunshine. Dancing in the desert, blowing up in the sunshine. Dancing in the desert, blowing up in the sunshine.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Vegan brown stew chicken in my Jamaican kitchen. Thumbs up, share, share, share. Let me know what you'd like to see me cooking in my kitchen next. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, a time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.